Hi students, Standard 4 English Medium, subject GK. Students, before we go ahead, we have to little bit revise what we learnt in last session. Okay, students, in last session we learnt about some new names of Indian cities, and then we got intro of national games and some other games of countries. Okay, now today you will learn chapter number 33, 34, 35 and 36. Students, in 33 you will learn groups of people. If groups of people stand together, at that time what's it's known. So let's hear what are the following groups of people called, we have to learn. The first question like this, see, a large crowd of people intent on causing trouble or violence. Large crowd, students, of people means when a people gathered in large crowd, means in lots of quantity, whatever, at that time what's you will say to that group. Okay, intent on causing trouble and violence means people one who gathered for the intent of causing trouble and violence. So that group is known as mobs. In help box you can see, students, MOBS, mobs. Okay, now next question 2, it is a large number of people gathered in a unorganized way. When people, one who gathered, large number of people gathered, how? Unorganized way means there is no any proper place, whatever they stand, and these types of group is known as crowd, CROWD, crowd. That's you can see in your help box, students. Okay, now question number 3, the people who watch or listen to a cinema, television or radio program means when some people, one who gathered at one place to watch, listen, cinema, television, radio program, whatever. Okay, so those people are known as audience. At that time we can't use word group of people, we have to use word audience. Okay, I welcome to your all types of audience people. That's why we have to welcome them. Okay, now question number 4, a person one who watch show, game or the other events means when a people one who gathered in group to watch a show, game or other event which going in the playground or ground, whatever, at that time those group of people is known as spectators. There we have to use word spectators. Okay, so in option C you can see this answer. Okay, now question number 5, it's a group of people assembled for religious worship means when a group of people, one who gathered for religious worship at one place, at that time this group is known as, okay, at that time we have to say that group is known as congregation. It's known as congregation. Okay, remember this thing, congregation. Now next question number 6, it is a group of people living together in a one place means when people gather and living at one place, at that time the group of these people is known as community. These people is known as community. So I hope you understood this all answer. Let's one time revise in help box. Okay, the first answer of first question is mobs, MOBS, option D. Then second number is crowd, CROWD, when a number of people one who gather unorganized way, that's known as crowd. And then third number is audience, when people one who gather at one place, at that time they known as audience to see cinema, movie, or another is television, radio program, whatever. Okay. Now question number 4, like that, people one who gathered to watch show, game, other events at that time. The answer as spectator, option C. And then question number 5, when people one who assemble for the religious worship, at that time they known as congregations. And then we have seen that question number 6 is there, group of people one who living at one place together, so they known as community. Now another chapter have to open page number 40. Okay students, open it 40. There you can see life in the ocean. Okay students, question chapter number 34, life in the ocean. Here students, in this chapter you will see the seas and the ocean. Ocean are the very beautiful and fascinating worlds. They are rich in marine life, and here some description given of marine animals. So let's, before we go ahead, little bit I want to remind you, these all chapters you will write in your notebook and in book also. Okay, so easily we can get answer whatever you will remember in exam and then write. Let's see, first question is there, they have 3 hearts. In picture you can see students, here this animal has 3 hearts. Their blood is light blue, means this animal, marine animal, has blood and which look light blue. They are completely deep and the most poisonous animal on the earth. Okay, and name of this animal is octopus. Remember this thing, octopus. Now question number 2 is there, they are the only animals in the entire animal kingdom in which male gives birth to young ones and take care of it. Means this animal is entire animal kingdom in which male gives birth, means these marine animals male form give birth to young ones and take care of it. And name of this animal is seahorse. Okay, in picture you can see students, seahorse, which gives birth to young ones male form. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3 is that it has its teeth in stomach. Okay, this animal has teeth in its stomach. More than 8 million tons of they are eaten all over the world. Means पूरे विश्व में 8 million तक खाया जाता है. Means 8 million tons people one who ate this animal more and more. And the name of this animal is crab, C-R-A-B, crab. Students, very unique animal, marine animal you can see in this picture. Now question number 4c. Its body consists of more than 90% water, means if you will see in body of this animal 90% water. It has 64 anuses. 64 anuses. It kills more people than any other sea creature every year. Means बहुत सारे animal को ये मार डालता है. Its sticking can kill in 3 minutes. Means if it stink upon your body at that time, in 3 minutes person or whatever animal is there die. Okay, and name of this animal is jellyfish, that you can see in picture. Okay, next question number 5 is there, the best hunter in the sea, it has the deadliest teeth and jaws. Means in picture you can see students, it has deadliest teeth and deadliest jaws. It's breathing through 5 to 7 gills stills. Means when it's go into the water, minimum 5 to 7 gills slits water it can swallow in its body. Okay, and the name of this animal is shark, S-H-A-R-K. Now students, here you can see help box. Let's one time repeat about this. Question number 1, the question is about blue blood animal. Its name is octopus, option D. Now question number 2, which learn male gives birth. Okay, so answer is seahorse. Third question is that it has teeth in its stomach and the name of this animal is crab. Then question number 4, that's we learnt 90% water you can see in this in the body of this animal, minimum 64 anuses, and name of this animal is jellyfish. And last question that we learn, best hunter in the sea, students, and deadliest teeth and also jaws, and name of this animal is shark. I hope you understood this chapter very well. Now question chapter number 35C, brain sharpener activities given in this chapter. One type of riddles here given, students. Okay, let's see who am I, guess and have to fun with your friends. First question is there, I have a head but I cannot think. Here the question asking that I have head but I cannot think. Okay, so the answer will come as pin, P-I-N, pin answer. Okay, now question number 2, I have a cap but no head. Students, I have a cap but no head. The answer will come as, students, this. Okay, pen. You can see I have a cap, okay, but no head, so the answer will come as pen, P-E-N, pen. Now question number 3, I am a room with no walls, doors or windows. Students, here telling that I am a room with no walls, means मेरे room हो पर wall नहीं है, doors or windows also having, but I am, who am I? Tell me. The answer will come as from option mushroom. Okay, mushroom, have you seen, students? It's look like a umbrella. Okay. Question number 4, I am an English letter, I always ask questions. Students, here telling that I am English letter. Okay, I always ask question, मैं हमेशा question पूछता रहता हूँ. The answer will come as letter Y. In option G, you can see letter Y. Question number 5, I have trumpet but I cannot blow it. Okay, trumpet means one type of instrument is there, but I cannot blow it. Trumpet है पर मैं blow नहीं कर सकता. The answer will come as elephant. That you can see in picture, students, in your book. Question number 6, I have wings. Wings, students, okay, but I am not a bird. मेरे पास wings है पर मैं bird नहीं हूँ. The answer will come as aeroplane, students. Okay, aeroplane, you know, wings having but it can't fly. It fly but it is not a bird. I go up and down. I go up and down, but I never move. Means मैं एक जगह पर से up and down होता पर आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता. The answer you have to find from E option, staircase. Staircase, have you seen, students? Upside go, then downside, upside go. People have to stand and go up and it's go downside. Okay, so staircase. Question number 8 is that I have a mouth but I cannot speak. I have a mouth, मेरा mouth है but I cannot speak, मैं बोल नहीं पाऊँगा. Okay, the answer have needle, N-E-E-D-L-E, needle, students. Okay, सुई आपने देखी होगी at the top, it has shape like mouth. Okay, but it cannot speak, वो बोल नहीं पाएगी. Okay, so the right answer is needle. Let one time repeat from help box answer. The first answer you have to choose P-I-N, pin, option F. Question 2, C option, P-E-N, pen. Question 3 you have to choose mushroom. Question 4 letter Y. Question 5 elephant. Question 6 aeroplane. Question 7 staircase. Okay, I hope you understood this chapter very well. Now last chapter 36, it's about general knowledge. Here quiz given, we have to sharp our mind and have to quizzing skills by answering these questions. Okay, I hope you will understand this chapter very well, students. Students, see, the first question is a number becomes double. एक नंबर है वो डबल होने वाला है. If it is increased by 20, यानी कि जब वो इंक्रीज होगा 20, द नंबर इज, ओके, तो नंबर कौन सा है? द नंबर वी हैव टू चूज ऑप्शन, which option we have to choose, students? This option. Okay, 20. Understood, students? Next question 2, the total distance around a rectangular park is called its a dash. Means a rectangular park, students, a rectangular park, you know how's the rectangular park is there. Okay, rectangular park, students, like this. Okay, rectangular park, and it's known as area, circumference and parameter. The right answer will come as parameter. Okay, understood, students? Next, how many 25 paise coin will make rupees 10? Okay, means 25 paise आप इकट्ठे कर रहे हो, the how it will make rupees 10? The answer we have to choose, okay, this 40 means 25 paise we have to collect and then makes minimum 40 25 paise will collect, then rupees 10 happen. Okay, next question number 4, the greatest 4 digit number using different digit is. Greatest 4 digit number we have to find from this option. Option A 9867, option B 7689 and option C 9876. Greatest 4 digit number using different digit. Okay, here the answer we have to choose option C. C option you have to choose, students. Okay, 9876. Here you can see different digits using and makes it's a 4 digit number, great one. Understood? Next, a fraction with numerator 1 is called. One type of fraction is there with numerator is called. 1 is numerator, at that time it's known as, आप क्या उसका नाम दोगे? प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन नाम देने वाले हैं, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन और यूनिट फ्रैक्शंस. व्हाट यू विल से स्टूडेंट्स? अकॉर्डिंग टू मैथ्स its answer is unit fractions. Okay, that's you have to choose. Question number 6, which is the correct way of writing 12 o'clocks in afternoon noon? Means when the afternoon 12 o'clock happen, at that time how you will write? So at that time you have to write it option C. C option you have to choose, students, 12 noon. Okay, now question number 7, which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Greenhouse gas कौन सा है students according to science? Oxygen, carbon dioxide और nitrogen. Okay, so greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide. Okay, so choose this answer and do it correct one. Okay, now question number 8, a place where the river meets the sea is called its. A place where the river meets its sea is called. Okay, how? Let's understand it. The question is like this: a place, that is means one type of place is there where the river meets the sea, means this is okay, sea for example. Okay, sea, and this is known as river, students. When this river meets to sea, at that time what's it's known as, students? Okay, students, at that time you have to choose answer, it's known as mouth. Okay, the right answer is mouth. Next, which is a larger number? Okay, which is the larger number? Fourth sign means, students, here we have to use greater than and less than or greater than, whatever in 3 of. Here you will not choose answer, here we have to put less than, greater than. Students, option A, C, 0.4 and 0.04. So which will the right answer happen? This you have to do here this way, because here 0.4 is a bigger one. Okay, bigger. Understood? Big. So we have to choose this answer. Understood? Next, 1.08, 1.80. See here, students, B side 1.08 given, 08, and in right side 1.80 means 8 is small and 80 is bigger. So the right answer we have to choose this. Okay, means 1.80 it's a bigger one, so we have to do less than that. Okay, next, 4 divide 7, then 4 divide 6. See, it's a rule is following that you look 4 divide 7 bigger one, but according to rule of maths, when downside small, upside same figure, means 4 you can see same figure, but downside bigger given, and if someone asks which is as less than or greater than, at that time you have to choose small. If digit given smaller downside, at that time it's known as bigger, students. Okay, so here 6 given and here 7 given, and if someone asks which is bigger one, then we have to choose. Okay, small is bigger and bigger is small. I hope you understood this very well. Next, which mineral is good for your bones? Which mineral is necessary in our body? Okay, for our bones. So it's easy and simple. Answer is there, calcium. Okay, if calcium is proper in your body, then your bones are strong one. Okay. Next, what are the clouds made of? Students, clouds. Okay, clouds made of, बादल दिखते हैं हमको स्काई में. व्हाट आर द क्लाउड्स मेड ऑफ? स्टूडेंट्स, water vapor, icy water or hot water? Students, the right answer, you know, it's a water cycle. When water in ocean, for example, okay, it's go in the sky, okay, when it getting the vapor and it make cloud, understood students? And the right answer we have to choose water vapor. Means when water vapor go into the sky, then what happens, students? Sky. Okay, the right answer is water vapor. So let's one time repeat answer. A number becomes double if it's increased by 20. The number is 2020. Second question, the total distance around a rectangular park is called parameter. Third question, how many 25 pesos coins will make rupees 10? 40. Answer is there. Okay. Next, the greatest 4-digit number using different digits is option C, 9876. We have to choose. Now question number 5, a fraction with numerator 1 is called. Okay, it is known as unit fraction, students. Okay. Next, which is the correct way of 12 o'clocks in the afternoon? Means 12 o'clock है तो कैसे लिखेंगे? तो that answer is C, 12 noon. Okay. Here 12 noon given, that's answer we have to choose. Understood? Next, which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide. Greenhouse gas. 8 number, a place where the river meets the sea is called, it's known as mouth, students. Okay. Question number 9, you have to put sign 0.4, 0.04 given, so the right answer will come as in A, okay, greater than. In B you have to write less than, and in C also less than. Question number 10, which mineral is good for your bones? Answer is calcium. If calcium proper in your body, then your bones will be strong one. Question number 11, what are the clouds made of? Students, बादल कैसे बनते हैं? The clouds made of water vapor. Means when a water get heat and it's get the vapor and it will go into the air and makes cloud and we will get rain. So that's a water cycle and we have to follow this. I hope you understood these chapters very well and properly, students. So at last, take care and thank you.